nightmare, this. I was still up and about at 1 o'clock this morning. Still flakes kicking it, that wasn't good, it, mate. And I was thinking, nah, it's not going to be that bad after a while. But I got up at 20 past 7. I looked straight out the window. And it actually wasn't so bad then. Someone sent us a message on Facebook and I'd saying, what's it like then? And I was like, it's not so bad. An hour later, I'll get it, son. Oh, just stop. Said an hour later, it's really sort of kicking it, like, as you can see. But you know, I've got stuff I've got to be doing. I've got stuff to do today. What I'm doing is I'm just sending along to the subway. Because I reckon the subways are alright, the ones that are underground. Some of them run on the ground level. I think most of them have been cancelled today. Because I've still got to get across Manhattan for the avenue and street number, cross signs and that. I've got some of them, but I haven't got like all the way across that I wanted to. Anyway, so I can't even see the curb on here. I need to get out of there without coming. At least the traffic shouldn't be bad today. That's one good thing. Christ almighty, man. How deep it is here. Right, get away here. Subway's just one. I'm so pleased I got done yesterday, what I got done, like. Especially the views from over New Jersey way. Look at this, you barely see the skyline in this thing. Is that here, that thing? Oh, I ended up last night, I ended up in that Chinese with the pictures of the food in the window. Because it was the only one up. I was dead late getting back from the Islanders game. Oh, they got walloped, by the way, they got walloped 8-4. And it was an experience, like, but I didn't see how a 'Game that's 3 20-minute periods. Last night, it kicked off at 7:30. Didn't finish till 10:10. Fannying on with bloody. Well, I suppose I had to get the blokes onto the sweep the ice every now and again. And they went off for 20 minutes at the end of every 20-minute. The 20-minute game period, they went off for 20 minutes, come back on. There was loads going on in that 20 minutes off the ice, like getting the crowd involved in that. They were pretty excitable, but a load of pumping, bloody fannying on and that, like. But it was canny. New York Islanders were actually the better team for the first 10 minutes or so. They were allowed them. They took the lead. Then Carolina equalised and took the lead. Then New York come back and took the lead, but then that's it, Carolina just took over after that. They were a much better side, much better team. But I got some wristbands, actually, some Islanders wristbands, which I wasn't expecting to be able to get. So I was happy to do that, like. But by the time, on the tubes, there was something went on the subway last night, when I was trying to get back into Manhattan. And the express ones got cancelled for some reason, so it's yawn time. And I get off at Canal Street, which is a bit of a hike from here. And by the time I got back, the Chinese up next to the hotel, I was going to get to eat, but I was plenty hungry when I got back, and it was shut. And the only one open was that King's, whatever it's called, with the picture in the window anyway. And I walked in, and the lassie went like very, very broken English, like sitting in or taking out, I was all sit in. But there was only me in, I was only put her in the whole place, and she was just sitting like miserable at the table next to us. And there was someone else sitting, plotting on with her phone, another person that works there. So I got the beef and rice, but the rice came and it was all bloody, it was just all stuck together, and I think it just microwaved it. So I went for the beef and vegetables on rice. I had some spring rolls. And the spring rolls, I think it was gotten from Iceland or something. And the beef was very tasty, mate. But the veg, I mean, what the hell it was green, some sort of green stalks. I read some of it. The stalks were actually nice, but the leaves that was with it were mangy. I don't know what the hell they were. But they just kept watching us. The two girls in there, and I was like, they were watching stuff on their phones, not talking to each other, just watching the stuff on their phones, and then glancing up every now and again to see if it was finished and that. I was like, bloody hell. So I scoffed the dude as quick as I could and just got out there, like. But it only cost us $8, $8.86 for what I got. So it was a cheap supper anyway, like. And I paid a quick visit to that organic supermarket on the road for me, for a bottle of pop. It's gone to waste. I only had a few mufflers out of it. Anyway, I just want to be getting up the sort of where First Avenue is, and then I'm just going to cut across Manhattan, get the pictures of the avenue and street side. I've just been talking to a bloke actually in the hotel reception, and we were out there. An English lad, like, they flew in from Toronto last night, and there was a huge blizzard going on up there. And he was like, oh good, we're getting away from this. It's going to be out there and it's followed them. Thinks it's the same storm, like. And they're here for a week from today. Gotta get through these bloody smoking in this. Where is standing? Get hold of this side, where we're going. In my life, there's nobody up with 2 people on it, new one at the station. I've just gone off at 2nd Avenue, that was the stop I had to get off at. I've got the 2nd Avenue street sign, and there on the cross street on East Houston. I'm just going to walk down here to 1st Avenue, then back up. 3rd Avenue doesn't start till a few streets up. I knew first and 2nd were lower down, so I get these out of the way. And then start heading up and across. It's so quiet, like, really quiet. There's the Gatsby Hotel. But that's great. It looks like the Kunst's view clearing these paths. I mean, at some point this I think it's going to be clearly on. Not like soft snow, it's like little hard pellets, and that wind's blowing into you. Bloody hell. I'll give it maybe I don't know, half an hour or so, 20 minutes maybe, once I've done first and get up a bit. I'll start having quite regular breaks, coffee shops and that, keep the camera charged up. So I'm looking at the battery there. It's only the 2nd video I've done today, and it's already shooting through. I don't know what that fox I was on about the other day. So it's no surprise to anybody in here, like. Oh yes, 1st Avenue just here. You just got to go a block and you're on the next avenue.